just want to say hello to everyone and thank y'all for clicking onto my video. So the big question that I know I'm going to be probably asked is what's in my spray bottle, and it's water. I have setting lotion. I also have my Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. Alright you guys, so that's all the products that I will be using in my hair, so you guys enjoy. Y'all, my little niece is such a diva. Like, she wouldn't cooperate with me like throughout this whole video, so I had to edit so much stuff out. But anyways, y'all, I still love her. You want to put it in your head? Hold on, let me see. You feel good? Stop using nose. No. So y'all, this is how it looks being rolled up. So I'm gonna see y'all in a few to take down. So it's a big difference. But this is how it looks. Show y'all the back. Nah, you know. That's the part I gotta show you, cause I don't know, it'd be like whenever I do my other video hair tutorial, I just don't like how the back looks, so hopefully this back is cute. to how I'm going to preserve my hair for the night, because it is nighttime, y'all. I have 3 ponytail holders, so 3 just gonna have to do. But this is the thing, it's like, let me know if I'm the only person, but if I use like a scrunchie, a ponytail holder, whatever you want to call it, I don't put it back like in a good area that I'm gonna remember. I just put it down somewhere and it's like, it just go. Alright, so I'm gonna use the real loose, my loosest one, just like on this last straw or whatever. I'm gonna use that for the front. And that's how it looks. And I'll see y'all in the morning, because I will be vlogging. Anyways, but I will be vlogging tomorrow. So this is how I will have my hair for the night. Make it look like a little mohawk. Like a little bird. Anyways, I'm having my hair tonight, so I'm about to go get in the tub, wash my face. And y'all don't have no foundation on. I literally only just did my eyebrows and lipstick. That's it. So anyways, you guys, this is how I'm about to end the night. So I will see y'all in the next video.